My name is John. In the whole of the eastern part of Nigeria, only few animal feed production organizations exist. This creates a high scarcity, monopoly, and they are adulterated brands. Our business idea is about manufacturing of different animal feed such as cattle feed, poultry feed, dog feed through available agricultural ingredients such as sodium, vitamin, cost, and weight. We'll be able to venture into the increasing market and be able to produce quality and available and affordable animal feed that will ensure and meet the needs of the customers. This way, we'll be able to bridge in the monopoly system that is in place and that of scarcity, and also make the products closer to the people for them to access at every point in time. Though this might be cost effective, but it will worth the struggle.